The following video shows how to change the function of a switch for lighting. Before you start, please make sure you save a backup of the configuration. Within ABB-free at home, you can choose from two types of controls for lighting or shutter settings: individual and group controls. Individual controls connect a single switch to one light. Group controls connect several lights to one switch. For example, all lighting in the kitchen to one switch. This video shows how to set up individual controls. Where can I edit settings for lighting or shutters? Settings for lighting or shutters can be entered on a tablet or a computer, although the latter is easier. Please make sure you are in configuration mode. Select the main menu and enter the menu called Devices. You are now presented with the floor plan. Please first select the respective floor you wish to manage. A map showing all switches is now displayed, and you can zoom in until icons are shown. It is important to know where a switch is located, shown by the position of the icon in the room. How to disconnect lights or shutters. To disconnect lights or shutters, please press the respective switch. It will be outlined in blue and shows a blue line indicating its current connection to lights or shutters. Press the light or shutters once to disconnect. If the blue line disappears, you've disconnected the sensor and actuator. Press Save in the list to the bottom right of the screen to save the disconnection. How to connect one light or shutter to one switch. Once you've disconnected the lighting or shutters, you can set up a connection to a new switch. Please select the switch. It should display a blue outline. Now choose whether you want to operate the switch on the left or right. In the list menu, you can see which switch is connected to which light or shutter. You can then select which lights or shutters you want to connect to the switch. It appears in the list menu with a blue connection line. Press Save in the list menu to the bottom right to save the setting. How to connect one light or shutter to several switches. If you've already connected a light or shutter to a switch, you can add a second switch to operate it. Press on a second switch. Select which switch you want to connect to the light or shutter. The selected switch will now appear in the list menu. Select the light or shutter you want to connect to the switch. It now appears in the list menu and is connected with a blue line. Press Save to the bottom right in the list menu to save the connection.